How to analyze stocks like a professional. What is stock analysis? Hi everyone, welcome to today's video on stock analysis. You might be wondering, what's stock analysis and why is it important? Stock analysis is the process of examining a company's financial performance to make informed investment decisions. It matters because understanding how a company makes money and how its financials are doing can help you predict its future performance and make better investment choices. Understanding financial statements to analyze stocks. You'll need to understand financial statements, also known as financial reports. These reports provide a snapshot of a company's financial performance over a specific period. The three main financial statements are the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Let's take a look at each. Asterisk income statement shows revenue and expenses over a period. Asterisk balance sheet shows a company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Asterisk cash flow statement shows the inflows and outflows of cash over a period. Key financial metrics. When analyzing stocks, you'll want to focus on key financial metrics, such as revenue growth, profit margins, and return on equity. Let's define these terms. Asterisk revenue growth, the rate at which a company's revenue increases. Asterisk profit margins, the difference between revenue and expenses, expressed as a percentage. Asterisk return on equity, a measure of a company's profitability, calculated by dividing net income by shareholder equity. Analyzing income statement. Let's take a closer look at the income statement. When analyzing this statement, you'll want to examine asterisk revenue, is it increasing or decreasing? Asterisk expenses, are they increasing or decreasing? Asterisk net income, is it increasing or decreasing? Analyzing balance sheet. Now, let's examine the balance sheet. When analyzing this statement, you'll want to examine asterisk assets, are they increasing or decreasing? Asterisk liabilities, are they increasing or decreasing? Asterisk equity, is it increasing or decreasing? Red flags and green lights. When analyzing stocks, you'll want to look for red flags such as asterisk decreasing revenue or profit margins, asterisk increasing debt or liabilities, asterisk low cash flow or cash reserves, and green lights such as asterisk increasing revenue or profit margins, asterisk high cash flow or cash reserves, asterisk low debt or liabilities. Recap and call to action. That's it for today's video on stock analysis. Remember, stock analysis is a process, not an event. It takes time and practice to become proficient. To start analyzing stocks like a professional, you'll need to asterisk understand financial statements and key financial metrics, asterisk analyze income statements and balance sheets, asterisk look for red flags and green lights. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content.